Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Garmin watch software, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure optimal performance. Step 1. Download the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store if you haven't already, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Open the Garmin Connect app and ensure your Garmin watch is paired and connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Step 3. Check your smartphone's Wi-Fi connection, as software updates often require a stable internet connection to download properly. Step 4. In the Garmin Connect app, tap on the menu icon and select your watch from the list of connected devices. Step 5. Navigate to Settings or Device Settings within the app, then look for Software Update or System Update. Step 6. If an update is available, the app will display the version number and update details. Tap Install or Update to begin downloading. Step 7. Keep your Garmin watch close to your phone and connected during the entire update process. Do not disconnect or turn off either device. Step 8. Wait for the update to download and install. Your watch will restart automatically when the update is complete, which may take several minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.